Hey, today you're going to see how I use paintless dent repair to take out these couple of small dents in the gate of this Chevy Equinox. Typically with paintless dent repair, we try to go behind the panel and push it out. So with this Chevy Equinox that we have in here today, you're gonna see the process of not only from the outside of what it looks like as the dent is coming out, but I'm also going to show you the inside under the panel with the tool from the inside that we use, the special paintless dent repair tools to go on the inside and slowly push the dent out. You're gonna see as I'm doing that I'm just slightly gently moving the tool around, making small little gentle pushes until I get it completely flat and perfect. Now, typically with paintless dent repair and the way it's been done for over 30, 40 years now is when it first started was going behind the panel. We actually push the dents out from the inside, massage them, gently push them until we get the panel flat. And this always worked really well. It worked perfectly, worked excellent with small dings and door dents. And it has advanced over the years into much bigger damage. Now, you may have seen a lot of stuff that's been marketed online now to consumers to stick a tab onto the car and just pop your dent out and it's magically gone. Now, it doesn't always work that easily, and if you click this icon up at the top, I've got a playlist of more videos that I've done that just use the glue pulling method, and you can see the process of how it's done, and it's not just a quick fix. Hey, thanks for checking out this paintless dent repair video here today. I've got many more videos over on my YouTube channel. Click one of these videos below here. You can definitely see more. If you liked what you saw today, be sure to hit subscribe, click the like button, and follow me here for more paintless dent repair videos. See you in the next video.